Friends, in this period we will learning our new point is angles in a linear pair. So what is the definitions of angles in a linear pair? The sum of the measures of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. So sum of the measures of the angles in a 180 degrees, we can see it is a linear pairs. Linear pairs is also a supplementary angles. Now look at here some questions. Write the names of the angles in the figures alongside. Look at this figure. Okay, this figures has two angles PQR and angle RQS or SQR. Okay, or this is a straight line. This angle has straight lines. It means this angles is a 180 degree. Okay, this angles is a 180 degree. Sum of two angles is a 180 degree. Okay, so it has two angles, angle PQR and angle RQS. Okay, and this is the vertex of this angle Q, and this is the common arm of this angle. So it is QR is a common arms of these angles, and P and S is a remaining arms of a straight line. This is the remaining arms of this straight line. So what type of pair of angles is it? So what types of pairs of angle is it? So this is a obtuse angle and this is a acute angle. So we can say it is a supplementary angles also. Which arms of the angles are not the common arms? Angle P and angle S are not a common arms of these angles. Measurement of PQR is dash. Now let's measurement PQR using this protractor. We will measuring this angle. Take a point here and let's measure this angle. So angle PQR is how much? Angle PQR is 125 degree and angle RQS is 55 degree. So it is 55 degree and it is 125 degree. So you can write here measurement PQR is 125 degree and measurement RQS is 55 degree. So total of the measurement PQR plus measurement RQS equals to 180 degree. So sum of two angles is 180 degree. Okay, hope you understand. The angle PQR and angle RQS in the figure above are adjacent angles and are also supplementary angles. Okay, this is a adjacent angles also. Adjacent angles means what? It has same common vertex, common arms and separate interiors. Look at here, it is a RQS has a separate interior points and RQP is also has a separate interior point. So we can say it is an adjacent angle and it is also a supplementary angles because the sum of two angles is a 180 degree. So we can say it is a supplementary angles. The arms that are not common to both angles form a pair of opposite rays. That is, these arms form a straight line. This, look at here, this has is not a common arms of this straight line. So we can say it is a opposite. Look at here, P and S are opposite to both sides. So these arms form a straight line. We say that these angles form a linear pair. So we can say it is a linear pair. The sum of the measure of the angles in a linear pair is a 180 degree. Okay, sum of two angles is a linear pair is a 180 degree. All the supplementary angles all the linear pairs angles is a supplementary angles because Supplementary angles is a 180 degree and linear pairs angle is also 180 degree. But all the supplementary angles are not a linear pair. How? Because what is the conditions of linear pair? Linear pairs जे आहे ते काय असणार, स्ट्रेट लाईन असणार. This is also adjacent angles. Okay, it is also a supplementary angle. So this is our linear pairs. But all the supplementary angles are not a linear pair. It means what? Suppose this is our one angle and this is our angle. So it is a 110 degree and it is 70 degree. So this is also supplementary angles, but this is not a linear pair of angles. Okay, hope you understand. The condition of linear pair angle is it is a straight line, it has a trace line, it has common vertex, it has common arms, it has it has opposite arms. Okay, hope you understand. Angles which have a common arms and whose other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. Okay, angles which have common arms. Look at here, it has common arms QR, and whose other arms form a straight line. These arms are in a straight line said to be angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. जे linear pair angles असतात ते angles supplementary angles सुद्धा असतात. Now we will solving practice set 19. Before we solving practice set 19, we will understanding some points of adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, and linear pair of angles. Angles in a linear pair. Okay, look at here, adjacent angle. So this is adjacent angle, it has common arms. This is the common arms. Okay, adjacent angles ला काय असतं, इथे common arms असणार, separate interior असतात. It has common arms, arm BM. Okay, common vertex, it is the common vertex B, and separate interior, it has separate interiors, it is also a separate interior. So we can say it is a adjacent angle. Now next point is complementary angles. Look at here, complementary angles means which angles? The angles, sum of two angles is 90 degrees. So we can say it is a complementary angles. Look at here, this is also complementary angles. It has 40 degree, it has 50 degree. Okay, it is also adjacent angles and complementary angles. Now you can write complementary angles like that also. Okay, जर आपण असं लिहिलं तर हे काय होणार, complementary angle with adjacent angle. But this is not a adjacent angle, but it is a complementary angle. Okay, because the addition of two angles is 90 degrees. 60 plus 30 is 90 degrees. So we can say it is a complementary angles. Okay, now next point is supplementary angle. Look at here, it has a straight line. It has also two angles, 140 degree and 40 degree, but it is also adjacent angle. So we can say it is a supplementary angles. Look at here, it is also 140 degree and 40 degree. It is also a supplementary angle, but this is not a adjacent angles with a supplementary angle. We can say it is only supplementary angle. Sum of measure of two angles is 180 degrees, so it is also a supplementary angles. Okay, now look at here, angles in a linear pair. It has common arm. Look at OC. OC is a common arm of these angles. Remaining arms form a straight line. Look at here, angle arms A, arms B are remaining arms form a straight line. This is a straight line. Okay, supplementary angle, it is also a supplementary angle because it is a 180 degree angle. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, draw the pairs of angles as described below. If that is not possible, say why. Okay, it has some point given. Let's solve the first question. Complementary angles that are not adjacent. Okay, we will draw here complementary angle but that are not a adjacent angle. So आपल्याला इथे काय करायचं, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल तयार करायचे बट ते ॲडजसंट नाही पाहिजे. सो ॲडिशनमेंट वॉज ॲडिशन अँगल इथे काय असणार, हे कॉमन आर्म असणार आणि कॉमन वर्टेक्स असणार. तर आपण काय करूया, सेपरेट करून अँगल काढू शकतो. सो complementary angles means what? Complementary angle means sum of two angles is 90 degree. Let's draw a complementary angle. Draw a complementary angle. This is 50 degree and this is 40 degree. Angle ABC, angle PQR. Okay, this is a complementary angle, because what is the definition of complementary angle? Sum of two angles is 90 degree. So it is 40 plus 50 is 90 degree. Okay, now next question is angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Second question, angle in a linear pair which are not a supplementary, is that possible? असा अँगल काढता येईल का जे लिनियर पेयर अँगल काढता येईल का जे की सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल नसणार? this statement is wrong. Let's write the answer. This is not possible. This is not possible because the angles in a linear pair are always supplementary angles. ओके, आपल्याला ते काढता येणार नाही कारण जे लिनियर पेयर असतात ते ऑलवेज काय असतात? सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल्स असतात. ओके, होप यू अंडरस्टँड. नाव थर्ड क्वेश्चन, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल्स दॅट डू नॉट फॉर्म अ लिनियर पेयर. येस, वी कॅन ड्रॉ बिकॉज कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल्स हे लिनियर पेयर नसतात. तो आपण हे काढू शकतो. हे तुम्ही ड्रॉ करा. ओके, एक्झाम्पल 4, ॲडजसन्स अँगल विच आर नॉट इन अ लिनियर पेयर. दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉंग. आपण हे सुद्धा काढू शकत नाही कारण लिनियर पेअरची कंडिशन काय आहे? ॲडजसंट अँगल असणार बिकॉज इट हॅज अ कॉमन आर्म अँड व्हर्टेक्स आर कॉमन ऑफ टू अँगल्स. सो हे आपण हे काढू शकणार नाही. दिस इज ऑल्सो स्टेटमेंट इज रॉंग. अँगल्स विच आर नेदर कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी नॉर ॲडजसंट. अँगल्स विच आर नेदर कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी नॉर ॲडजसंट हे काढू शकतो आपण. angles in a linear pair which are complementary. This is also wrong. Now example 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th are homework for you. Complete this exercise and send on our WhatsApp group. Now we will stop here. Thank you.